In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix. Sorry, something went wrong while using the Facebook, and if you've gone through this kind of trouble, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to open your Facebook. Then we have to click on the three-dot menu here. From here, we need to go to the settings. We need to navigate to the privacy and security. From here, what you need to do is we have to go to third-party cookies. And from here, you have to click on see all site data and permissions. And over here at the filter, we need to type here for Facebook. Just type for Facebook. So if anything is available for the Facebook here, you just need to delete it. You'll be having an options. Just click on the drop down menu and you have to delete it and you have to check. So this is actually kind of deleting some of the caches and all kind of things. Once you delete it, you just need to go back to the Facebook and try reloading it back. And now we have to check. The issue regarding this will be completely fixed. If not, still if there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to click on this one over here at the top. Now from here, we need to navigate to the site citing. Now from here, go to the JavaScript. Make sure this has been kept as allow default one. If it is blocked, that is the reason. So change this to allow default one if it is so. Then you can just go back, and afterwards, if you go back and check, this time the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. Still, if there is an issue after trying these two, the Facebook might be gone through a server issue. So we have to type like this on a Google Chrome, and you have to go to the site called Down Detector, which will give you a complete idea whether it's gone to any kind of an outages, whether it's gone through any kind of an issue. It will give you all kind of details here. So once you cross check this, these are the things you need to do, and I hope this kick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.